Maybe he'll let us in, you never know. He's a kid. Kids are stupid.
Bless this highly nutritious microwavable macaroni and cheese dinner that people sold it on sale. Amen. This is it. Don't get scared now. Merry Christmas, little fella. We know that you're in there, and that you're all alone.
Yeah, come on, kid, open up. It's Santa Claus. And his elf.
We're not gonna hurt you.
No. Got some nice presents for you.
Be a good little fella now and open the door.
What happened?
Hello.
That's it. I'm going on the front. You go down the basement.
Dead kid.
He's only a kid, Harry. We can take him.
Oh, shut up, will you?
Oh,
What is it?
you're missing some teeth.
Where? That's where I go to. I go to. I'll kill him. I'll kill him. You found me with one more kid, kid. And I'll snap him like a honey and boil him for a while. Oh, our house is being round. March 656, Lurking Boulevard. My name's Murphy. What are you doing, Marv? Marv? Marv, what are you doing? Marv. Where is it? Where is it? You jerk! Where'd he go?
Maybe committed suicide.
Down here, you big horse's ass! Come and get me before I call the police!
Let's get him.
Wait. It's just what he wants us to do. It's to go back downstairs through his front house so we get all tore up. Here comes the cops! He's not calling. From a tree house? Come on. Window? Yeah, look out the window. Are you scared, Marv? Are you afraid? Come on, get out here. Hey guys, check this out. Come on. Hiya, pal. We outsmarted you this time. Get over here. What are you gonna do, Harry? He'll do exactly what he did to us. I'll burn his head with a blowtorch. You can smash his face with an iron. I can slap him right in the face with a paint can, maybe. Or shove a nail through his foot. First thing I'm gonna do is bite off every one of these little fingers, one at a time. Come on, let's get you home.
Nice move. Always leaving the water running. Now we know each and every house that you've hit.
Hey, you know, we've been looking for you two guys for a long time.
Yeah. Now remember, we're the wet bandits. Wet bandits. And
Shut up!
Come on.
Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Let your heart be light. From now on, your troubles will be out of sight. Through the years, we all will be together. If the fates allow, hang a shining star upon the highest bough.